Lighting can really throw a video off and it can make a video look amazing. Pretend I'm in my house, and as I spin around, check it out, watch how the lighting changes on my face. See the shadows? So the shadows, especially if they're here, it means there's a light right there shining right above me. So you don't want to be standing underneath light that's directly shining down upon you, because then you get shadows. Now the shadow is over here, which means the light source is over there. See that? Now that is what's called hot. And it's not that kind of hot. It's like hot where it's bright and you have hot spots where they're too bright. You don't want that either. And then if you keep on spinning around, see the shadow there too? My phone shadow is on my face. So you keep spinning around. Now the shadows are on this side, which means the light is here. Keep going around and look for that part in your home, that place in your home where the lighting looks the best. Whenever it's full clouds is perfect lighting. So go in your car, go outside, go in your backyard, go wherever you need to go, but definitely videotape anything that you want to video because the lighting is perfect. But just what I want you to do is just really pay attention to lighting and how it affects your face and how it can be distracting or not distracting and how it can make you look fabulous and how it can also make you look just not like, you just don't feel like it looks like you. Pretty good. And you know why it's pretty good? Because behind me is the outside. I'm standing in front of a big window. So if there's a window in your house, stand in front of it, okay? If it's behind you, watch what happens. I go dark. So I go dark, the background is lit up because the camera kind of focuses on the light. Right there, this is where I would actually film my video. This is the best spot, okay? But test out your house, test out walking down different hallways, test out standing in front of different windows. See, now there's a little bit of a green haze there, and that's because there's a green screen right here. Oh, that's really bad. Okay, this you don't want to. Yes, that looks, I mean, I would shoot right here if I was shooting a horror movie. This would be fun.